Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin bread. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and grease a 9x 5-inch loaf pan. Start by whisking wet ingredients in one bowl and dry ingredients in another to avoid overmixing. Fold batter gently until just combined to keep the crumb tender. Pour into the pan, smooth the top, and get ready to bake for the times I'll explain next. Gather all ingredients and measure precisely before starting to streamline your process. Use 2 cups flour, 1 cup sugar, 1 can pumpkin, 2 eggs, and 1 TSB baking soda as a baseline. Whisk dry spices together so they distribute evenly through the batter. Combine wet ingredients thoroughly, then fold in dry ingredients gently. This method helps produce moist, tender pumpkin bread with an even. Careful timing and cooling are key to perfect texture. Bake the loaf at 350 degrees F for about 55 to 65 minutes, checking with a toothpick near the center. Let the bread rest 10 minutes in the pan so it firms up, then remove to a cooling rack so steam escapes and the crust sets. Cool fully before slicing to avoid a gummy center and store properly to maintain freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.